Hey, what is up, guys? How are you doing? I hope all of you are doing great and absolutely you are fine. Okay, so now I am again live on day number 3 of this 100 days Facebook live challenge. And on this day number 3 means today, I will share the best marketing strategy to generate qualified lead consistently for your online coaching business. So if you are an online coach or consultant who are struggling to generate leads or who want to scale your online coaching business, then this live session is absolutely fit for you. Make sure to watch this live session till the end. And also, if you are watching this live session live, just type hashtag live in comment section. And if you are watching replay of this live session, just type replay in comment section. Okay. So now, in case if you don't know me, let me introduce myself. My name is Mohit Parmar, and I'm a founder of Profitile.com, and I help online coaches to scale their online coaching business by getting qualified leads consistently on automation so that they can live a freedom lifestyle and so that they can spend more and more time with their family, with their friend, and with their loved one. Okay, so now let's come to the topic. As I earlier told you that today I will share the best marketing strategy to generate qualified lead consistently. Here I want to highlight this part, that is consistently, that how you can generate qualified lead consistently in your online coaching business, the best marketing strategy. So the best marketing strategy to generate qualified lead consistently is hybrid marketing strategy. So if you don't know what is hybrid marketing, then let me tell you. Hybrid marketing is the combination of paid marketing and organic traffic. So what you have to do, if you want to generate lead consistently, you have to focus on both traffic sources. Number one, paid marketing traffic source, and as well as you have to focus on organic marketing traffic source. See, what most of the coaches do, what mistake most of the coaches do, if they are promoting their offer or if they are promoting their service through paid ads, like through Facebook ad, through Google ad, through YouTube ad, then they will not focus on organic marketing. They will not do organic marketing, most of the marketer. But smart marketers who are generating massive results, who are generating more and more profit, high profit, good and great return over investment, they don't just focus on paid marketing. What they do, they focus on paid marketing, and along with paid marketing they do organic marketing as well. As if you see big marketers like Grant Cardone, Tony Robbins, Russell Brunson, or Dan Lok, Gary Vee, every big marketer focus on both traffic sources. They focus on paid traffic source and as well as they focus on organic traffic source. They run Facebook ad, Google ad, YouTube ad to generate more and more sales, to generate more and more profit, to generate more and more revenue in their business. And they create content on social media, on Facebook, on Instagram, on LinkedIn, on YouTube, to generate more and more revenue and to generate more and more profit. So always focus on what traffic source. Don't do this mistake which other people are doing. Right, what you have to do, you have to do paid marketing as well as you have to focus on organic marketing. Now what is the benefit of hybrid marketing? Now let me make it very clear that what is the benefit of hybrid marketing. As I told you, hybrid marketing, what is hybrid marketing? Hybrid marketing is the combination of paid marketing and organic marketing. So you don't just have to depend on organic marketing to get leads, and also you just don't have to depend on paid marketing to get leads. Why I am saying that you just don't have to depend on organic and you just don't have to depend on paid marketing? You have to utilize both. You have to run paid ads if you want to generate leads consistently, and you have to do organic marketing. You have to create content on your different social media channels, right? So if you want to generate leads consistently, and let's suppose you are completely dependent on organic traffic sources, you are completely dependent on Facebook, on Instagram, on LinkedIn, and you have very less followers. You have only a couple of thousands of followers on Instagram, or couple of thousand, like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 subscriber on YouTube channel. If you have that kind of following, fan following, then you will struggle a lot to generate leads consistently organically. Sometimes you will get leads, sometimes you will not get leads, right? And if you want to scale your coaching business, you want to keep growing in your online coaching business, you want to get leads consistently, then what you have to do? How can you get leads consistently? By just being dependent on organic traffic source? You cannot, because in organic traffic source there is uncertainty. Sometimes you will get leads, sometimes you don't get leads. But what you want, you want to scale your coaching business, you want to generate more revenue, you want to generate more results, you want to generate more revenue, more sales in your online coaching business, then you need leads consistently, because leads are pipeline of any kind of business. If you are running online coaching business, then leads are must. You need to keep getting new leads every day. If you are keep getting new leads, then over the time your revenue will keep increasing, and you will keep growing. If you are getting qualified leads, if you are getting right leads, okay, if you are targeting right person, right target audience, then yeah, in long term you will generate huge revenue. But by just being dependent on organic traffic source, you cannot scale. If you have very less fan following, if you have very less follower on Instagram, or if you have very less follower on social media channels. So that's why, if you want to scale, if you want to increase your revenue, if you want to increase your profit, if you want to increase your sales, what you have to do? You have to utilize organic and as well as paid marketing. Because in paid marketing, if you are not getting leads through organic traffic source, then definitely you will get leads through paid marketing. But here is the one thing, that if you are doing paid marketing, if you are running Facebook ad, Google ad, or YouTube ad to generate leads for your online coaching business, then you just don't have to depend on paid marketing. Because why you just don't have to depend on paid marketing? Because business is all about profit. If you want to build a long term online coaching business, then you need to keep generating profit, you need to keep increasing profit over the time. And how you will keep increasing the profit? How you can increase the profit? See, you can increase the profit by decreasing the budget which you are spending on marketing. If you will decrease the budget which you are going to spend on marketing, then obviously you will generate more revenue. At the same time, if you are decreasing the budget on marketing, you have to increase the number of leads. If you can decrease the budget and you can increase the leads, then you can generate more profit and more revenue and more sales and create ROI in your online coaching business. But how you can achieve it? If you are completely dependent on paid marketing, on Facebook ad, on Google ad, you have to keep spending money on marketing. And if you will invest money, you will get lead. If you will not invest money, you will not get lead. It is super simple, right? So if you will invest money, then only you will make money. But if you are also working organically, if you are focusing on organic marketing, traffic source, because in organic traffic source, you don't have to spend money, you just have to spend your time, energy, and you just have to create content, useful content, valuable content, which provides some kind of solution to the problem of your target audience. If you are doing so, then your fan following, your following on Instagram, or your subscriber on YouTube, or your following on Facebook will keep increasing over the time organically, and you will keep generating results organically. You will keep getting more and more results organically as well as. But to scale, you have to start with paid marketing, but don't just depend on paid marketing. As I told you, that if you see all the big marketers like Grant Cardone, or any other marketer like Dan Locke, Grant Cardone, Tony Robbins, Russell Brunson, Gary Vee, each and everyone, they create content on social media, and also they run Facebook ad, YouTube ad, Google ad to convert their target audience into sale, because they know the power of Facebook ad, they know the power of paid advertisement, they also know the power of organic traffic source. Because if you are completely depend on paid traffic source, then you cannot sustain, you cannot build a long term online coaching business, because business is all about profit. If you are able to increase profit in your online coaching business, then you are in the direction of building a long term online coaching business. But you are keep investing money, you are keeping investing money, but uh, you are not working organically, that there is no way that in less investment you can generate good results. Okay, that's why it's very important. And also, if you are working, if you are following this strategy which I'm telling you, hybrid marketing strategy, then there will be low cost, there will be low risk, there will be low risk. Why there will be low risk? See, when you are going to start, when you are promoting your offer through paid marketing, then you have to spend money, but it is not sure that your first campaign, your very first campaign will be successful, because paid marketing is all about testing. It might be possible that your first campaign will not be successful, or your first campaign will not be able to give you the results which you want to get, right? That's why you have to keep testing, keep testing, keep testing. And if you are spending money on investing money on testing and you are getting less results, and on the other hand you are also promoting your offer organically, so the money which you are investing on paid marketing, you can balance that money by getting leads and by getting sales through organic traffic. So hope you have got it, right? You can, the risk on investing money, the risk which of investing money on paid marketing will be low, and there will be a balance of your budget, right? So never ever go in one direction, choose both way. Choose paid traffic source and as well as organic traffic source. Organic traffic source will help you to build your brand over the time, because to generate leads organically you have to create tons of content, you have to create content, not tons of content. Because if you are using paid marketing and organic marketing, then you don't have to create tons of content, you have to create content. Create less content but create quality content. Okay, super simple. Hope you have got it right. So this is the thing which I wanted to share with you, that the best marketing strategy is hybrid marketing strategy. Never ever dependent on paid marketing, or never ever dependent on organic marketing if you wanna scale your online coaching business. If you are generating like 2,000, 3,000, and you wanna generate like 40, $50,000 per month in your online coaching business, then utilize the both way of marketing, right? Utilize the both way of utilize the both way of generating leads in your online coaching business, right? Even this is the same mistake which I did in my when I was promoting my affiliate marketing course through Facebook and YouTube ads. When I started to promote my online course, to promote my affiliate marketing course, what I was doing, I was, when I started to run Facebook ad and YouTube ad, I completely closed to promote my offer through organic traffic sources, through organically. And after some time, what I got, that I'm getting very, very, very less profit. I'm not making that much of money what I wanted to make. Because if you are running business, if you are doing business at the end, what matters? Profit matters. You need to generate profit. If you will generate good profit, then you will build a long term online coaching business. If you will not generate profit in your online coaching business, and if you are not able to scale, then there is no make, it really doesn't make sense that you are running a business, right? Right. So hope you have got it now. Let's finish this today's live session. I want to end this live session over here, and at the end of this live session, I want to share one more thing, that if you are a coach or consultant, and if you are struggling to generate leads in your online coaching business, or if you want to scale your online coaching business, or if you want to go from $3,000, $4,000 to $50,000, $60,000 in your online coaching business, if you want to make that much of revenue in your online coaching business per month, then feel free to message me in Messenger. I would definitely help you. I will definitely help you. I would love to help you. I will share the thing which I know, and the thing which I have applied for other coaches, and I have helped them to generate good results as well as. Okay. So guys, this is the end of this live session. Thank you so much for watching this live. All the best.